Hi foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you the most amazing recipe for chuck roast beef with vegetables. Let's get into it. Alright guys, now let's take a look at the ingredients. Here I have my chuck roast beef already washed and pat dry. I'll be using some onions, some celery, baby carrots, some potatoes. I have some beef broth, some browning sauce, tomato sauce, some bell peppers, and for the seasoning I'll be using green seasoning, which I will leave the link in my description box, garlic and onion powder, sazon, some seasoned salt, bouillon, complete seasoning, black pepper, some brown sugar, and some flour. So basically what I did was added a little oil to create moisture to my seasonings, and I mixed very well to combine. You want to create a paste-like consistency so we can apply it to our chuck roast beef. Now if you don't want to make the green seasoning, you can omit it. Once we're done, you want to just go ahead and apply this to your chuck roast beef on both sides. Make sure all sides are nicely marinated, and we'll let it sit for about 2 hours or so. If you have time and you can let this go overnight, that would be best. Next, we're going to season our vegetables. You want to season everything so that nothing will taste bland, creating layers of flavor to the dish. I will leave all the seasonings that I use listed down in my description box. Once you're done, you want to go ahead and create like a gravy using your beef broth. We will also add our flour here, and you want to mix it well. Make sure the flour is nicely dissolved. And then you want to come in with your tomato sauce. You want to add your sugar for balance, and then we will add our browning sauce. You can use any brown sauce here, just don't use soy sauce. Use a sauce that really has no sodium in it because you don't want to make the dish salty. So we will mix this well to combine, and today I'll be using a turkey oven roasting bag, and we will place our chuck roast beef inside here. I like using this because it is so easy, and my chuck roast beef always turns out amazing. You want to add your vegetables in there along with the gravy that we made, and you will tie this up, and we will place 4 little holes inside of the bag just to let the the air release. And we will place this in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about, let's say, 3 to 4 hours or so. Once your meat is nice and tender and your veggies have softened, that's how you know it is done, and you can serve and enjoy. After about 3.5 hours, this is now done. Now I try to show you guys it from inside of the bag, but I had to just take it out so you guys can see it, properly. So once I took it out, this is what it looks like. It was perfect, perfectly seasoned. The gravy was nice and thick, and it was absolutely amazing. The meat was so tender, and my whole family enjoyed this. I can't wait for you guys to give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it, and leave a comment down below. I will leave all my ingredients down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching. I appreciate your support, and as always, enjoy.